Waves, volume, lace front. This one has it all. When I took this wig out of the box and put it on, I knew immediately this is going to be a favorite. This is my Wille Stella. This color is Beige MultiShaded, and this wig was provided to me by wigs.com. Y'all look at this beautiful wig. This is going to be a short video. If you'd like to see the complete unboxing where I unbox it on camera, it's over on my Instagram. You can go over there and see that. Most of my unboxings are over there. So if you'd like to see things right out of the box, check it out over there. And then I will give you the full review here. Y'all look how pretty this is. Look at the movement and the waves in this. I am hooked on this Stella wig. I cannot wait to get it in some other colors. The things I personally like, I love how this comes out with this swoop. I love that. I think it's beautiful. I think it works on most face shapes. But look how pretty this is. These are heat-friendly fibers, of course. This color is so gorgeous. Lace front goes all the way down to here. Let me show you the inside of the cap. Like I said, extended lace front. It has a mono part. Look how deep that mono part is. So you get that illusion of a scalp. Love that. It is open wefted, closed ear tabs with stays, extended felt nape, and a Velcro adjuster. All right, this has a little permatease in the top right here, but you can see this is not a big wig and this is not a sleek wig. I'd say this is light to medium density. There's a lot of fiber here. I do feel some permatease at the nape on this one as well. I don't feel a lot in the cap, but it is there. There is some permatease in this wig, and I think it is definitely needed to give it this bounce, to give it this beautiful, beautiful shape. Now, like I said, these are heat-friendly fibers, so if you wanted to change this up and straighten it, you could do that. You could add more curl to it, but I just think it's perfect just the way it is. I love this wig. We're seeing lots and lots of bobs like this coming out, aren't we? I feel like we're seeing a lot of this length lately. I think we're seeing a lot of waves lately. What I like about this length is you can see it's a mid-length. It's not really hitting my shoulders. And I think that will make your, of course, make your heat-friendly fibers last longer. You're not getting that friction like you would. Now, if you wear a turtleneck or something, yes. But with a sweater like this, it's not really touching my sweater. So I feel like this will last a long time. Y'all, this truly is a beautiful, beautiful wig. It has great coverage. There's my bio hair there and there. And I want to tell you, I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and this fit me a little large. Now, this is just my opinion. But I feel like the last few Wille wigs I have gotten have been a little more leaning toward the average than they have the petite. That's just my opinion and how the ones I have gotten have fit for me. I found this to fit just a tad large on me, so I do believe this will stretch up a little bit if you have a little bit larger head circumference. Now, the front of Stella is 8 inches, so you have this long sweeping bang. The sides are 7. The crown is 10. It has a 4-inch nape, and this one weighs 3.3 ounces. I think this, like I said, will work on most face shapes, and I'm crazy about it. All right, Beige MultiShaded. Look at this beautiful, beautiful color. Light brown, of course. Then it's blended with some medium ash blonde and some light neutral blonde on this shaded root. I don't think the root is overdone at all on this style. And I think that the highlights on this are perfectly, perfectly done. If you're not crazy about wigs that are really highlighted around the face, you might like this one. It's not heavily, heavily highlighted all the way around to the lace front. So I just feel like it's super, super realistic. It looks like you just walked out of the salon. Now, I just put mine on with just a cute little sparkly headband. I think you could definitely dress this up for the holidays, and it has that lace front. Why not show it off? It's so well done. You can do a lot of this. Y'all, I think this would be also so pretty in a half up and half down on this one due to the waves in this, that it would really be pretty. You could just dress this up so beautiful for the holidays. Thanks for stopping by today and having a look at Ellen Wille Stella. What a beautiful, beautiful style from Ellen Wille. I'm going to have a link in the drop-down box. That includes a discount. So look in the drop-down box, just expand it down there, and there will be a link to where you can order this gorgeous style. Let me know if you've tried it. I'm going to try it in some other colors, and I will show it to you when I get it. Thanks again. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.